A torsion field naturally oscillates between its north pole and its south pole, moving energy around the center of itself, back around the outer perimeter in a circle-like structure, until eventually reaching back at the top pole where it swirls downwards, meeting the utmost center. And at that utmost center, this is where the magic happens. Because when two waves collapse on each other, what happens is a type of inner wave is created that many call a scalar wave or a longitudinal wave. And these longitudinal waves exist within the up and down waves we've all come to understand and know. These are the waves that move in an up and down motion, like waves on top of the ocean. However, there's another aspect to all waves, and that's the longitudinal or scalar aspect. Looking here at the ocean as it swells onto the seashore, you can see that once the waves crest, they start to roll back in towards the ocean. However, there are still waves coming in towards those retracting waves. And what you see is that the incoming waves end up picking up these retracting waves and sort of riding with them, adding to the structure without actually interfering with it. It turns out this is exactly how electromagnetic waves work, especially within the fourth state of matter, plasma. And to tie that back into what we were talking about with a Pistis Sophia system, Pistis Sophia could be thought of as a complete system that each and every entity shares. Why do I see each and every entity? Well, because if you look at what a torsion field allows a individual to have, it's basically an individuated experience.